Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today's our topic of discussion is ranges in carbonyl compounds. As we know that the carbonyl compounds absorb strongly in the range from here we can see that in the range from 1650 to 1850 centimeter inwards, and because of its large change in dipole moment means why carbonyl compounds absorbs at a very high range because of its large change in dipole moment. Now let's discuss the normal basic value for the absorption of carbonyl group in different types of functional group. Like here we can see that anhydride absorbs at higher value than ester, and ester having more value than aldehyde and ketone, as well as amide having lesser value among all the carbonyl compounds. So for that purpose we have to discuss some terms. So see here. So firstly, see the electron withdrawing effect. Means what is the effect of electron withdrawing group on the stretching frequency of carbonyl group in IR stretching frequency. So as we already know that atom having more electronegativity values tend shared electron pair towards itself. And so suppose we consider the carbon and oxygen. We know that oxygen having more electronegativity, that is oxygen is more electronegative atom than carbon. And if we consider between ketone and ester, like suppose we have the structure ketone having R C double bond OR and ester having the structure like R C double bond OR. Here we can see that here oxygen, extra oxygen is present, and here this oxygen pull the shared pair towards itself. Means here it attracts the electron towards itself and make itself as strong as than initial and absorbs at higher frequency. And why this has happened? Due to the presence of oxygen, extra oxygen, than means in ketone there is lack of this extra oxygen, and here because of that extra oxygen present in ester, it absorbs at higher frequency than ketone as well as than in aldehyde. And from that we can conclude that electron withdrawing effect raises the carbonyl frequency. That is, electron withdrawing effect raise the carbonyl frequency. The next one is resonance effect. We know that what is the resonance? When non-bonding electron pair having space for conjugation, and that is nothing but the resonance. See here the example. Suppose we have example like here what happens, lone pair on nitrogen opens here because it has a space for conjugation, that's why it opens on this bond, and this double bond opens on oxygen, and we get structure like Due to this, what happens here? Double bond. We know that initially this double bond now shift in a single bond. And we know that we already discussed the force constant for double bond is higher. Force constant, that is value of K, is higher for double bond, and it is lowest or lower for single bond. Now from that we can say that initially this is double bond, and now after the resonance, after the conjugation, that is the effect of resonance, this double bond get changed into a single bond. And due to this, especially in amides, the carbonyl group shows or it absorbs at the lower frequency, like at 1680 centimeter inverse, and it is the lowest value than among all the carbonyl compounds. So this is the reason why amide absorbs at lower frequency. And what is the reason? Because of the resonance of unshared pair of electron present on the nitrogen.